The procedure for checking work orders before taking them to the saw. So open up the production schedule, do unhide QC, and then normally we'd start with Bay 1, Bay 2, Bay 3, and so on, but in this case, for the video, I'm going to start with Bay 4. Here we are. So these dark tan highlights in the cells mean that these are already down at the saw. They've been checked and they're ready to go. So we're going to start at this trailer right here. We'll grab the stack of Bay 4 work orders. So first, we check the trailer number, P0766, P0766. Check the trailer model, PTM 585K, PTM 585K. Check axles, 5 wide 5K straight braking, 5 wide 5K braking. It's implied that this is a straight axle. Check coupler. It's a 2 5/16 A-frame coupler, that is standard. Check options. Doesn't specify any options here. We'll look over here. All these are standard items, but it does show gray. Keep that in mind. Check tire size. Make sure the tire size matches up with the axle. The 5K is a 6 lug, so this is correct. Check dealer discount. 2023 HT 3% discount. We can look on our dealer discount sheet. We see that HT Hardcastle is 3%. Check the price. Make sure this price matches up with what's on the work order. And finally, check the QC sheet. We flip it over. Oop, there you go. To make sure it says PTM or PT, or for whatever appropriate trailer that the work order is. You'll take it upside down, put it in the appropriate bay slot with the magnet sticking out, and each new work order we'll put on top in the same orientation of the stack we're working on. When you finish that trailer, you'll come up to the cell size, you'll change it to the second tan down to show that it's in the stack and it's correct and we checked it. Scrolling up to the very top, there is a color code key for useful highlights to use when you need to mark something down as such on the schedule. For example, all these trailers are needing either axles or special hardware, and all these trailers in blue need cut sheets made. Don't forget, at the right end of the sheet, the production schedule is any parts items. You want to make sure you take those parts items, place them on the top for the parts. When you're finished with the work orders, you can hide the QC list. Now we're gonna click and drag over each bay's sheet. So we have Bay 1 selected. We'll go to Bay 2, we'll hold Control and click and drag. And the same process for each of the others. So now we have Bay 1, 2, 4, and 5. In this case, not 3 and not parts. Now we're going to export this. Go to File, Export, Export PDF. We'll save it in FabForm Production, hit Publish, do yes. And we'll do it a second time into the cut sheets. That essentially gives people down the line a PDF copy of the schedule to look at on the iPads or a computer. Next, we'll print off 2 copies of each of these. Go to File, Print, 2 copies, and then Print Selection, and hit Print.